Hello dear friends, welcome to Casa Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make aloe vera gel using xanthan gum. So I'm showing you the products that we are going to use. So I'm going to cut off the sharp edges from our aloe vera, and I had already immersed them in water to remove the poisonous aloe. So aloe vera is very moisturizing for the hair, so it's a good combination actually. Yes, in fact, this will be our base for our aloe gel. So like aloe will strengthen your hair, it will moisturize your scalp, and it will not only it doesn't leave a crunchy like hair. Your hair will be very soft, and it has anti-inflammatory properties. So dear friend, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, you can do so because subscribing really will help our channel, because there are many gadgets that we need to um, purchase to improve our channel. So subscribing will really help us grow as a family on this channel. So don't forget to do that. Yes. So we are done removing the sharp edges, as you can see. So now I'm getting a clean bowl, and we are going to use a spoon to cut across and scoop our gel. So actually, like making this gel, it's very simple. So actually, we are making 100 grams batch. So our aloe will be the high content. So that's the reason why we are scooping more gel. So our gel needs to be 94% of our final product. So actually, you can even use dry aloe vera powder. It's also very good. It can stabilize your formulation or your final product. But if you don't have, you can go for fresh aloe vera. Aloe vera. So that is how it looks like. Yes. So I'm just getting a beaker there and transferring our aloe in readiness for blending. So we are getting our blender and blend. So we are going to strain our aloe. Make sure that you don't forget this step. So with the help of the spatula, I'm going to press so that more gel can come out. So just mix it and press. So I've gotten my xanthan gum. So like xanthan gum is a thickener and a stabilizer, agent used to in food, cosmetics, and industrial products. So it can be tricky actually to mix xanthan gum with water. So I'm using hibiscus glycerite. Yes, and then we are going to mix it. So like glycerin is a humectant that can help draw moisture into your hair. So it's a good addition to our gel. So you have to make sure that you add a little of your glycerin. So in fact, in this formulation, we are going for 500 grams of glycerite or glycerin. So mix it. You can even use a blender, handheld blender to mix it. Make sure that you don't have any clumps. Mix it until you reach a smoothly consistent. So that's how it looks like. It's well mixed. So I'm getting our beaker again. We want to pour in, but there's some kind of residues, aloe residue. So we are going in again to strain. Okay, so we are pouring in our xanthan gum. Make sure that you pour it in slowly by slowly. So like stirring it with a spatula can't do much job. So we're just scraping some of the gums which on the spatula. And so I'm going to use a blender, handheld blender to blend it. So we are done blending. It looks so lovely. So that is how it looks like. So we are going to add in 1% of our natural preservative. So this step is very important. You don't have to skip this step. So like I know some people want to do natural cosmetics and they don't want to use preservative, but preservative doesn't necessarily mean bad. There are now like so many natural preservatives which you can choose from. Yes, which are paraben free and 100% biodegradable. So actually preserving won't permit the growth of bacteria inside our gel. So if you don't want to use a preservative, then just store it in the fridge, maybe for 4 days. So we are transferring our gel in our clean jar there. So this is very exciting. You know, at this point you can even test for pH. So the pH should be 7. So I'm so happy because it's ready. So now I just want to demonstrate how you can use it. So I've had twists for almost 3 weeks and some days. We are going for 1 month protective hairstyle. So like I'm just applying it on my edges. You see, it really works. I'm so happy. So like that white stuff you're seeing, it will disappear after a few minutes or a few seconds actually. Yes, look. Yeah. So like we are just closing it. So you need to leave it for at least 24 hours so that it stabilizes. Yes. So it will be well mixed like when you leave it for hours.